Maya.
And I'm Emma.
Today we're going to be teaching you 3 new constructions for geometry.
And they are parallel lines, how to create perpendicular lines from a dot on the line, and how to create perpendicular lines from a dot above the line. For this construction, you're going to need a pencil, a compass, a piece of paper, and a ruler. I am going to be using the straight edge on this. Now, first, we are going to create one line like this. It can be anywhere. And then you're going to create a dot above the line. We're going to make it point A. Now, after you've created point A, you're going to put a point anywhere on this line, and we're going to call it point B. Now, with your ruler or straight edge, you're going to connect these dots and make a line. Now, you're going to take your compass and put the pointy end on point B and put the pencil on point A and create a curve. Just like that. Now, you're going to do the same by preserving the distance on point A. Now, take your compass and put the pointy end on point A, and we are going to create this point right here as point C. Put the pointy side on point A and put the pencil on point C. Preserve the distance and go up here to point D and put the pointy end on point D and just make a curve. Where these intersected, you're going to make this point F. And now you're going to connect these 2 points like this, and these are parallel lines.
Next we will be creating a perpendicular line with a point on the line. You're going to want to start by making a straight line with your straight edge or ruler, and then you want to create a point on the line somewhere, and we'll call that point P. After this, you want to take your compass and place the pointy side on point P and bring it out to around halfway between the end and the point. It doesn't really matter. You're going to create a little line or dot here, and we'll label this A. Then you want to go from point P and A and create an arc across until it intersects with your line. We'll label this point C. Now, once you have these points, you're going to put the pointy side on point A and stretch out your ruler to past point P. You're going to create a vertical arc that intersects with the arc you previously made. Preserve the distance and place your point on point C. You're going to create the same arc. Where these 2 intersect is where your perpendicular line is. We'll put points here and label them B and D. You will connect point P, you will go through point B, P, and D to create your perpendicular line.
Our last construction is going to be how to create perpendicular lines through a dot above the line. The first thing you're going to want to do is create a line. Just like that. Now, create a point above the line anywhere you want. And we're going to call it point A. Now, with your compass, with the pointy end on point A, you're going to make a curve so that it goes through both sides of the line, like that. Now, this is going to be point B, and this will be point C. Now, put your compass on point B and bring it out to any length that is not, so that it doesn't pass point C, like this. Preserve the distance and go to point C. Now, We're going to call this point F and this point P. And we are going to make a line through all 3 points. Like this. This is how you create perpendicular lines with a dot above the line.
Thank you for watching those 3 constructions.
We hope you learned something. Bye!